Ever wondered how to travel the world with just a few coins jingling in your pocket? Is it even possible to quench your wanderlust without breaking the bank? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. Welcome to the fascinating world of budget travel. This isn't about cheap packages or discount deals. It's about experiencing the world in its raw, unfiltered beauty without spending a fortune. First off, consider alternative modes of transportation. Flying is fast, but often it's the most expensive option. Trains, buses, and ferries can take a bit longer, but they offer a chance to see the scenery up close and often at a fraction of the cost. Next, let's talk accommodation. The world is full of places to sleep that don't cost an arm and a leg. Look into hostels, guest houses, or even camping. Websites like Couchsurfing connect travelers with locals willing to offer a free place to stay. Not only does this save money, but it also provides a unique opportunity to experience the local culture. Travel light. This not only saves on baggage fees, but it also makes moving around easier. Remember, the world is full of things to see, not things to buy. Volunteering is another fantastic way to travel on a budget. There are countless organizations around the world that offer free accommodation and meals in exchange for a few hours of work each day. It's a win-win. You get to travel and give back to the community at the same time. Lastly, be flexible. The more flexible you are with your plans, the more opportunities you'll have to save money. This could mean traveling during the off-season, taking a longer route, or staying in a less popular area. In conclusion, budget travel is not just about saving money. It's about immersing yourself in new cultures, meeting diverse people, and experiencing the world in a way that money can't buy. When you feel the urge to explore but funds are low, keep these pointers in mind. Opt for alternative modes of travel. Think outside the box for lodging. Prepare your own meals. Pack light, offer your services, and be ready to adapt. Exploration doesn't have to come with a high tag. It merely requires a dash of creativity, a spirit of adventure, and a readiness to step beyond your comfort zone. As the saying goes, the world is a book, and those who don't travel merely skim one page. So why not embark on a journey without emptying your pockets? Safe travels!